Today, we'll be solving LeetCode 424, longest repeating character replacement. We start by defining a function called character replacement that takes a string s and an integer k. Next, we import the default dict from collections and initialize a variable called count to be a default dictionary of integers. This will help us count the frequency of each character in our window. We initialize two more variables. Left is set to 0 and will mark the start of our sliding window, and max frequency is set to 0 to track the highest frequency of any single character in our current window. We also create max length and set it to 0 to hold our result. Then we begin a for loop by saying for right in range of len s. The variable right marks the end of our sliding window. Inside the loop, we increase the count of the character at index right by 1. We do this with count of s at right plus equals 1. Next, we update max frequency to be the maximum of itself and the count of the current character. So we say max frequency equals max of max frequency and count of s at right. Now here's the key part. We check if the current window size, which is right minus left plus 1, minus max frequency is greater than k. This tells us if we need more than k replacements to make all characters in the window the same. If it is, we need to shrink the window, so we decrease the count of the character at left by 1 and move left forward by 1. After that, we update max length to be the maximum of its current value and the current window size, which is right minus left plus 1. Once the loop finishes, we return max length as the final result.